Ti, kteří se ocitli na prahu smrti, říkají, že se jim před očima promítl celý život.
Ukažme si to jenom na 3. Tadyhle bude tím pádem tady třeba teda víc, protože tady může být ještě 15,5. 3R, 2R.
Čau, prosím tě, můžu tě jenom předběhnout, já rychle pospíchám. Poprosím, prosím vás, 8 smažáků.
Víš, kolik je hodin?
Jo!
Derivace jako cibule, loupe se vrstva po vrstvě.
Tak proto, když je počítá, tak strašně brečí.
Hej, kde je učitel?
Nevím, jsi nikde? Tak sám co v cárnu.
Co tady děláte?
Co myslíš, že tady děláme?
Čus, kluci, už je volná tapec k pájení?
Jasně, prosím.
Some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Nah, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
Damn, that's a cold ass honky.
rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green, draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in. Bummy and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money. And I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hell no. I could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. The sneakerheads will be like, ah, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.